So to start update the Shopify store, you need to go to the admin section. In that, you can go to the online store, and then if you want to change the themes, so you can go into themes, then select any theme that you would like to accept it and publish it. So currently we have three themes: the debut theme, minimal theme, and this is the custom made one by us. So if I want to select this theme, so I will go to this and click publish. After that, publish. You will get a quite good preview as well. And if you want to customize the sections, let us see how our store looks. So we'll copy this link and we would paste it here. So this is how our store looks right now. So if we want to customize this completely, so we would go here in the backend, click on customize. So you would be getting all the options from the backend to customize and move these sections. So these are all the sections, and you can customize it according your needs. This is the header section, this one, which is globally applied everywhere, and the footer one. This is also a global section, footer and headers. And these are the sections that we can edit by our needs. So if so this is the slider section, and if you want to move this slider section, we can choose this six buttons and move as per our needs. So it would give us a preview as well, and it's quite easier for us to manage it. So I'll go and edit this text over here. I need some different text, so I'll click it. So this is our first image, and this is a second image. So we would go into the first image. We want this image. If we don't want, we want a different one, we can go and choose by our needs. So I want this one to be the front image, so it's selected and this image is changed. And we want our heading to be heading 1, for example. So we can change the subheading as well. We can give a button as well, buy now. So it would give us a live preview as well, and we can give a product link over here. So we have got a buy now button. We can position our what we say, the text over here. So if you want top left, yeah, image positioning, I mean, not the text one, this background image. And we can select our text sizes over here according to our needs, large, medium. So it changes accordingly. So there are multiple options, and change the slide every 5 seconds, so we can change it as per our needs. So as this way we can customize our complete website. So we can customize our complete website, and it is responsive as well. So to check this responsivity, we can click the PC icon over up here, and we can check this. This image is not selected, so we can go and check. So this is the gallery section. We will add an image, select image. We'll click from the free images section, and we'll get this one. So the images are up as we need it. So this is how you customize the front page of the Shopify store. And to customize the header section, you can go back here, click on headers, You can change the logo size. Currently we do not have a logo. We can add a logo. And to change this navigation menu, you need to go to the backend. We'll save this one. Now let's go to the login section, navigation section I mean. In this navigation section, we would get our main menu, that is the above one, this one, and the footer menu. So to update the header, we go to the header and we can add anything as per our needs. So suppose we say about us, and we can give a link to a page. Suppose I give this a login and add it. I'll just save it and refresh here. We get the about us page.